All right, YouTube, welcome back. People digging themselves out of an unfamiliar happening here in South Jersey. We had some accumulation of snow. Actually ran out of rock salt last night. So that's 50-pound bags. And we purchased a pallet for my one vendor wholesale, which was, I'm just going to tell you, I'm not going to say exactly what it cost. But the same pallet at another vendor who had it in stock was almost $11. Let me just see, I have the receipt. £50 bag of rock salt, same exact brand, same exact manufacturer. He was $4 a bag more. $4 a bag more cost of goods for rock salt by the bag. I know it's cheaper by the ton at the nursery. You could get it, or sand, or whatever. But the one, and even his pallet was $100 more than my guy who's out of it. You know, what do you do? It's cost of doing business. You know, should I cry about it? No. You know, you got to pass it on. You got to pass the cost of goods on to the consumer. That's the way it is. But if my customer came in and said to me, you're doing the same exact job for $100 more down the street, they would either get it done down the street or expect you to drop your price. So, you know, I'm trying to make a relationship there for people that it's called different costs of doing business. Not that his staff over at this place, right, is any better, right, or better customer service than the other guy. They have a business model and a footprint that has different cost of goods and different profit margin expectations, right? I would say one maybe is buying better than the other, or the other one is just has lower profit margins that he can afford to operate on. I don't really have the answer, but you just can't expect that everywhere, you know? You just can't expect it. So, $4 more a bag for rock salt. Go in here and see what's up. Now here's a place that I do business with. I buy their brand new wheel and tire takeoffs, and some used tire takeoffs. You know, it helps me, it helps them, and I get to sell them to my used car dealers that, you know, the same cars that they see. So let's go in here and see what's up. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh man.
Welcome to the finish line.
So why haven't you called me to come get snow removed? Your phone's ringing off the hook. Mine's dead. What do people want? Their snow tires rotated? Huh?
How are you, sir?
Or are they complaining about your lift kit jobs?
None of it.
All right. Thanks for watching.